Hi friends. So in this video I am going to explain about the problems on orthogonal signals. So the given signal, the problem is show that the function sine n omega naught t and cos omega naught t are orthogonal over an interval t naught is in between t naught to t naught plus 2 pi by omega naught. T naught is nothing, here t is nothing but the limits t naught to t naught plus 2 pi by omega naught. We have to take this integral for the integral value of n and m. So we have to find whether the sine and cos signals are orthogonal to each other. We already know the formula of the orthogonality, that is x1 of t integral t1 to t2 x1 of t x2 of t into dt is equal to 0. So we have to write here a f1 of t into f2 of t into dt. Here the variable is changed. In the previous video there is f1 of t and f2 of t. Here x1 and x4 both are same. So now what is x1 of t and what is x2 of t? In place of x1 of t we have to take sine n omega naught t value. In place of x2 of t we have to take cos m omega naught t signal. So I am substituting x1 of t and x2 of t values here. So here multiply and divide by 2. So 2 multiply and divide here. So here this term 2 sine n omega naught t cos m omega naught t, it is in the form of 2 sine a cos b. So that is nothing but sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So write this equation in the form of this formula, that is sine of 1 by 2 is common, integral t naught to t naught plus 2 pi by omega naught, sine of n plus m omega naught t plus sine of n minus m omega naught t into dt. Now integrate this one. So integration of sine is what? Minus cos of n plus m omega naught t divided by n plus m omega naught t minus, now minus integration of again sine. Here plus is there. If you integrate sine, that is minus cos n minus m omega naught t into n minus m omega naught t, and the limits t naught to t naught plus 2 pi by omega naught. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. First substitute here upper limit, that is t naught to t pi by omega naught, minus in this again lower limit minus. So in this value again you have to substitute upper limit and lower limit. So we can get this equation. So here 1 by 2 into n plus m omega naught is common. Now remaining part, so minus is also common, cos of, so here you have to write 2 pi of n plus m by plus n plus m omega naught t naught, that is nothing but n plus m into, first you have to multiply these two, omega naught t naught plus omega naught 2 pi by omega naught. So in this omega naught getting cancelled, we can get only 2 pi value, that is nothing but 2 pi into n plus m plus again n plus m into, here the remaining part is what? Omega naught t naught minus cos of n plus m omega naught t naught minus. So in the same way you have to write this equation, cos of n minus m of omega naught, again you have to multiply these two and multiply these two. Here again omega naught getting cancelled, you can get 2 pi. 2 pi into n minus m plus n minus m into omega naught t naught minus cos of n minus m omega naught t naught. So here this equation, it is in the form of cos 2 pi plus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. That means this is cos 2 pi plus theta. This is theta value and this is 2 pi value. Cos of 2 pi plus theta value is what? Cos theta. So now you have to write it as, so cos of theta, what is theta value here? N plus m into omega naught t naught minus cos of n plus m into omega naught t naught minus, in the same way this is also in the form of cos 2 pi plus theta. So now you have to write cos of n minus m omega naught t naught minus cos of n omega naught t naught. Here these two getting cancelled. So these two are cancelled means this value is 0 and this value is 0. So we can get 0. That means hence sin n omega naught t and cos m omega naught t are orthogonal to each other. Thank you.